Hello everyone, it's Gaio here. Before I start this video, I'd just love to give a shout out to Lakewee 44, Bone Lops Fish Market, and Adus, all who gave me bright ideas on how to repair him. Singing Honey Bass is now in working order and ready to sing. So without further ado, here is Singing Honey Bass. Again, thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart. Without your wonderful advice, this wouldn't be possible. Thank you all, and have a good night.